Starting today, RankMath is ditching the AI credit counting system entirely for your benefit. The one generator word equals to one credit is no more. We are moving to a per use model and every single tool will have a usage limit. It is simpler, fairer, and designed to get out of your way so you can focus on what actually matters: creating great content. So let me show you exactly how this per use system works and why it changes everything. Let's go. To start, there are three RankMath AI plans: the Starter, Creator, and Expert plans. For free users, stick with me and I will share with you in a while, but let me first walk you through all the tools that have standard usage limits. The usage limits for tools in this category are 100 per month for the Starter plan, 500 per month for the Creator plan, and unlimited usage for the Expert plan. The usage resets to 0 every month. The tools in this category are every tool in the Content AI module, except for Blog Post Wizard. I'll talk about this in a while. But what I mean is that if you have a starter plan, you can use the blog post idea tool 100 times, the blog post outline tool 100 times, and every single tool here has its own set of usage limits. It is not a combined limit. The same usage limit applies to the content editor. It has its own limit, and you can use it to write your blog post with your guidance. The same goes for chatting with RankBot for SEO tasks. You will find your usage indicator here. And when you are writing your article, as you click on the AI command, this run as command has the same usage limit. The write more feature uses the sentence expander too, so it follows the usage limit as we have said earlier. The improve feature uses the paragraph rewriter too. The same goes for summarize, write analogy, and fix grammar. But it is not the same for the generate link feature. Again, I'll talk about this in a while. Also, you can find the features we have talked about earlier in the Content AI tab. This research feature has a different usage limit, but the write feature, chatting with RankBot, and all the tools right here other than Blog Post Wizard have the same standard usage limits per tool. One other section of AI tools that have the same usage limit is in the page or post list, specifically the bulk actions, where you can write your SEO title, description, or both, as well as writing the image alt text in bulk. So if you decide to write the SEO title only for one post, it will count as one use. But if you choose to write both the SEO title and description for one post, it will count as two. Selecting another one will count as 4 because you are using two tools at the same time. These usages other than the image alt text will be accounted for in the bulk SEO meta usage. However, the bulk image alt text generation has a different set of usage limits, and we will talk about this in a moment. So for all the tools that we have mentioned so far, they will have the same usage limits: 100 times for the starter plan, 500 for the creator plan, and unlimited for the expert plan. Let's talk about the AI tools that have a different set of usage limits. The first is the Blog Post Wizard. There are 3 steps. The first step uses the blog post idea tool, which is right here. The same is for step number 2, which uses the blog post outline tool right here. The usage starts at step 3, when you ask it to write a long form blog post. This tool is meant to help you write high quality long form content with a simple click. And you can use it 15 times per month for the starter plan, 60 times for the creator plan, and there is no limit to how many times you can use this tool for the expert plan. And as we go to the WordPress editor, when you want the AI to suggest an internal link, you highlight the anchor text, click on this and select generate link. It will help you find the most relevant page to internal link to. You can use this feature 100 times for the starter plan, 500 times for the creator plan, and 1000 times for the expert plan. And then when you add an image to your article and you want the AI to generate the image alt text, you can do so 50 times for the starter plan, 100 times for the creator plan, and 500 times for the expert plan. The bulk alt text generation feature that you saw earlier will be added to this tool usage as well. Following that, as you scroll to the Link Opportunities tab, this is where you can use the AI Link Genius feature, where it will read and understand what your content is about and find relevant internal links. You can use this feature 50 times per month for the starter plan, 200 times for the creator plan, and 1000 times for the expert plan. The related post feature right at the bottom is also from the AI Link Genius module, and it is used to find related posts to be added to the bottom of your page. It replaces any related blog post plugin you have. Similar to the link opportunities feature, you can use this related post feature 50 times per month for the starter plan, 200 times for the creator plan, and 1,000 times for the expert plan. And finally, the AI research tool. It provides you with all the recommended items you should have on your page, such as the recommended word count, the internal and external link count, the number of heading to use, number of videos and images to add, the keywords to add to the page, the recommended Q&A if there's any, as well as the recommended external links to add. As you know, it is important to find highly relevant and high authority external links to add to boost the SEO for your page. So you can use this tool 10 times per month if you are on the starter plan. For the creator plan, you can use it 30 times per month. And for the expert plan, you can use it 100 times a month. If you want to get a full picture of your usage on your WordPress dashboard, simply go to the AI module and click on usage. You will see your current usage against each tool's limit, and all the tasks that you have performed are recorded in the history tab. Now, if you want to know when your usage will reset, simply hover over RankMath, go to its general settings, and select the AI module. It will show you the date and time your usage will reset. Now, if you are a business or agency, we recommend the creator or expert plan because based on what we are already building behind the scenes, these plans will unlock more advanced AI tools that requires higher backend resources. So do consider them. Alright, if you are a free user, your 750 legacy AI credits every month will transform into usage limits as well, which means you can do more. Most of the tools that have standard usage limits that we have mentioned earlier, such as all the tools in the Content AI module except for Blog Post Wizard, the Content Editor, and Chat with RankBot, you will be able to use them 10 times for each tool, which also means when you are writing your article, you can use the tools right here, other than the generate link, which will not be available to you. As I've mentioned earlier, these tools share the same usage limits with the tools right here, such as the fixed grammar, text summarizer, analogy. They share the same usage limits. So technically, you can use each of these tools 10 times a month. The same goes for all the tools in the Content AI module, except for the research feature. You can use the Content Editor, Chat with RankBot, and all the tools right here except for Blog Post Wizard. You can use them 10 times each. Now for the Fix with AI feature, you still can do 10 fixes per month. We are doing all we can to provide you with the best experience possible, and if you have any questions or feedback, do let us know in the comments down below. And do subscribe to us if you haven't done so already to get notified on our latest updates. This is Jack from RankMath. I'll see you in the next video.